Today I'm going to share with you Mercedes G500. I'm upgrading my door pins to AMG pin. So this is the pin I took it out from the door, and these are old existing pins, and I'm upgrading to AMG pins. It takes 1 minute to install it, and it brings the outlook of your Mercedes. If I open it, you can see it comes out this much. And in the front, I still have the old one. If I close it, it goes down. I'm going to change for the front, so you will see it how it's easy and efficiently you can do it yourself. Open, close. So these are the AMG pins. I have installed the back doors, and these are the two for the front. AMG is written on top of the pin. One tip I wanted to share with you: when you're going to replace the pin, if it's a lock, it's going to go down like this. You need to unlock it and then make sure that you pull it, and then you open it. Why I'm saying it, when you're going to open it, then there are chances that it will drop inside the lever. Once the lever goes down, then you have to open the door panel. So that's the tip you need to watch out. So once you put the new pin, you just put it in and just tighten it. Close it. Lock, and now it's just so flush and it looks so decent, and you open it. So these are the old pins, and this is the new AMG pin. And if I close it, and it looks really nice. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your door pins to AMG pin, and you can do it on any Mercedes. I'll list the part number under my description, and in case if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye.